think Shell got a little bit scared then, didn't you? So, hello folks. We're out again, doing our favourite hobby, which is geocaching. And we're walking through a bit of a park to do a geocache. We've kind of worked out it was a multi-cache. We've worked out the coordinates for it, and it's quite a last minute thing, so we're deciding, it's like 6 PM now, so we decided to go and see if we can find it. It's a little stream that runs all the way up to a lake and a waterfall. The lake's private though, it's a private fishing lake, as you will see in a minute. As we're coming up to it's a man-made waterfall, by the way, it's not a natural waterfall. We'll show you the waterfall on the way back after we found the geocache.
Yes,
we'll have a quick look at it.
Thinking, I like that.
Yep. Trying to be positive, because we've just pulled up at a previous geocache location today, and there's that many muggles. I've never seen so many muggles in my life in one place watching us, so we've literally had to walk away.
Yeah, I got it.
So we have the geocache. Yay, at least we got one today.
Yep.
Oh, it's a bit wet. It's a bit wet, it's soaked. It's not just a bit wet, it's soaked. So yeah, we've found it. So at least we got one on the list. I'm not even sure you can sign that.
No, it's not signable.
Take a photo of it though, as evidence. Should the cache owner require it?
We have found one.
We've got one geocache. So we're heading up to St James's Church here in Papawick. And check it out. I've done a drone video on this on my monthly travel in the past. That's worth having a look at. Okay, there needs to be a gate through here. Oh yeah, it's up there. So folks, do you know what a table tomb is? Well, I'm going to show you one. And it's a famous one that's in this church yard. And it is straight down here. And it is of a gentleman past called Frederick Montague. This is Frederick Montague's table tomb, and as you can see, it is actually shaped as a table. You may notice it's got 6 legs, and it's surrounded by railings. And to the west of the porch there's supposed to be a cross slab, which is medieval. Show you the church. You see it's a big church, and some of the gravestones here date back from the 1700s. There's a couple that look like that far. If that's the medieval stone, not sure. Unless it's around here. There's some old ones up here, folks. Henry Fraser, 1822. Born 1822, died 18th of November 1893 on that one. That is an old one. As you can see, some really old ones here. These are really old, you can't even read them. Let's walk around the graves. You've got a little wooded area there. It's locked off there. You managed to figure it out? See, now I can't hear anybody. Here you are. That really made me think, what the hell is it? Let's walk up here. And we'll come back through. Just be quiet. Keep them in there. Is it squirrels? I mean,
Not now. Pigeon up there, it looks. They're making like funny, very humanoid noises. Like they're from that same place, yeah. I like it.
Just freaked me out because I heard it earlier on. I thought it's really weird. It's private land and it's locked. I think Shell got a little bit scared then, didn't you? Got a little bit scared there. You what? Why? More fun.
We can see if it picks up that noise on camera. Now we're locked in the gate.
And you're locked in the old iron gate. Yeah, so that was quite interesting. We're in there getting coordinates, trying to work out a geocache. So I had one last look at the church yard. The church is actually shut, but it's getting quite late. And yeah, we were hearing some very strange noises from the private bit of land that's locked up behind it. So yeah, we think it was just a squirrel. I don't know. It was making some weird noises though. I mean, I was sat there, I wasn't recording, and I was convinced I could hear two people having a conversation. But there's no one there, definitely no one there, so I just had a look, but don't know. This is the fishing pond or lake or whatever. It goes all the way down to where the waterfall is. Man-made waterfall, obviously. I'll show you that in a second. I'll show you what the little stream looks like on the way back, and maybe just talk about our geocaching journey on this lovely little walk back. So yeah, we're on 10,000. So we're now on 10,224 geocaches. So we really are, you know, really getting into it at the moment and really getting our numbers up. And as the people I follow on YouTube that also geocache, I love filming it and talking about it. We don't tend to go to events, but you know, like most people, it gets us out into different places. And even if it's just going out and finding one geocache, one is better than none. So we are planning now to go. I think we're gonna go to a chip shop now, aren't we? Get some chips and go home and have our tea. So one geocache, a little walk around the church. Got spooked by noises. Well, I didn't get spooked, but Shelley definitely got spooked. And yeah, we're gonna head back now.